type, which let's say person. Fine. Or let's say associated to some org. Yeah. And that's a code. I'll just put here display name. Then color codes are mandatory, guys, to identify. So color, let's say color, and small icon, let's say whatever icon that you want to just select it. If you have normally person icon is preferable, yeah? But anyway, we're just trying, right? So save it. Just to identify these icons are there, nothing else. Yeah. I think this is done, right?
Nasima,
Yes. Yes, please.
so this color icon and large icon is based on entity relationship type, or like how can we check what can be added?
Entity type. So which means, let's say, how do you identify org? So for that, just by looking at this icon, we should have a way to identify. You got right? Example here, they are given the valid icons. Can you see here product? This one,
So my
small and
question
large.
is like any color we can use, like everybody have their own choice, right, for color icons. So is there
Yes.
any best practice?
Yeah. Any color can be used, but just by looking at the color, it should have meaningful. Nothing else. Any color can be used. There is no harm on that. Yeah.
Okay, so it is not any recommendation or best practice. Any color can be used and the icon according to the org party model or like that.
Exactly. You are right. Yeah. Yeah. Anything can be used. So main goal here is should us if you make it some meaningful color, it will be good. That's all I'll say. But it's not enforced. Yeah. Fine. So now let us add one more what do you call entity. Yeah. Say okay. So display name. So let's say address. Fine. Yeah. Done. And then say okay. So here also we can add entity type for address, add entity type. So address going to what the local category, color, let's say yellow. Right? Then small icon, let's say at the rate, and large icon at the rate. Yeah. No promise like email address, whatever. Yeah. There, guys, save it. Yes, so I think it is done. Entity and two entities and corresponding entity types are done. Now let us focus on relationship. So create again new entity relationship. Select what? Relationship based object. Yeah.
We have to click on local, right, Nasimha, for this one?
No, it's not required. So it could be anyway. So it's just a new one. So we don't need to click. Outside I just clicked. Yeah. Create new. Then new relationship based object. Just to build a linkage. Yeah. Say okay. Now we are using what relationship between two entities. So here, I'll just put here. So relationship, yeah, cost, customer to address, right? So here you can supply cost here, and in the bottom we have one more here, entity based object 2, which is address. Yeah. Rest internal, like foreign key relationship on that. Yeah. So we gave display name customer to address, then entity based object cost, and entity based object to address. Yeah. Yeah, done all. Sandeep, Ekta, all. Sika. Done, right? Okay. Now let us go with what? Say okay. Next. So once you build, right? So we could able to see our customer to address. No? Now we can categorize this. Right click on this customer to address and select relationship type. Like for example, here also you can see product relationship. Product group is a parent of product, whatever, right? So that. Yeah. So now right click and add relationship type. Yeah. So yeah. So address is a child of a customer. Fine. Oh, my keyboard was stuck. My keyboard was stuck. Set. Fine. I'll just use some color code. I'm just using mouse. My keyboard. So here you can specify any hierarchy name. Give a meaningful name, guys. Yeah, just now. So child address is child. of customer. Right. I'll just copy